Hi, welcome to Service Fashion Studio. My name is Savita. In this class, I'll show you how to use this double-sided fusing to make applique. Applique is a technique in which small pieces of fabric are cut in different patterns and stuck or sewn to the main fabric to create beautiful and unique designs. Some of you who bought this double-sided fusing on a website seem to have some confusion as to how to use this. So in this video, I'll show how to use this. It's very simple. It's called double-sided fusing because it has glue on both sides. If you wish to buy this, you can buy it on a website, servicefashionstudio.com. So let's see how to use this and make applique. This double-sided fusing paper has matte finish on one side and it's shiny on the other side. This shiny side is the glue side. Now first you need to do a design on the matte side of the paper, or you can just take a printout of any design that you want and place this on the design. So I'm taking a small flower here and trace this with a pen or a sketch pen. So once you have the design, we'll not cut as per the design, we'll just randomly cut it. Later, once we stick to the fabric, we'll cut as per the design. Now take the fabric with which you want to do the applique. You can use the leftover fabrics from your projects. So I'm using this fabric. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Place this paper with the glue side facing the wrong side of the fabric and press it with hot iron. This paper will stick to the fabric and then we'll be cutting as per the design. Now it's completely stuck. Now cut as per the design. So the applique is ready. You see the fabric here and the paper is on the other side. Now this is the fabric I'll be making the applique on. Now peel the paper on the back of the fabric. So all the glue from the paper is on the fabric now. You can see it shining. Now position the applique on the fabric wherever you want. So I'll place it here. Now when you iron it, it will stick to the fabric. Now if you see, this is completely stuck and cannot be removed. However, you can put a decorative or zigzag stitch all around to reinforce so that it never goes off. So we'll be doing that later. Before that, I'll cut few more of this and stick it. So I've cut a few more and I'll be sticking it the same way as we did earlier. So position your applique pieces as you want and then peel the paper. Similarly, I'll be doing the rest. Now I'll be doing zigzag stitches all around. If you don't have zigzag option, you can also do straight stitch a little inside from the edge. So let's start sewing. So it is completely stuck now. I'll show sewing of one of the flowers. Similarly, you can do for any other applique. You can sew with the regular foot, but I'll use this foot so that the stitches are clearly visible. I'm using a zigzag stitch. Before starting, just adjust the width because you don't want too much width. You just want to sew at the edge. So I'll set the width to 3.5 and let me check. And when the needle comes down on the right side, I want it to come down to the edge of this petal. And you can sew each petal, but what I'll be doing is I'll start here. Then when I come here, I'll continue to the opposite petal and complete in that way. That is much easier. So I'll start from the center, auto lock. First one you adjust so that the needle comes to the edge of the petal on the right side, and then you can continue sewing. As you sew, you'll have to turn the fabric. Now the stitch width seems to be a little more. I'll reduce it to 3, and also I'll reduce the stitch length to 1.5. Again, this depends on you. You can do it however you like. You can do it closer or little far. Usually same color thread is used during applique, but if you want you can use a contrast also. Now when you come here, just turn and continue. I'm doing it slow just to show you, but once you're comfortable you can do it faster. At the point of the petal, I'm just putting the needle in and stopping. When you reach that point, just lift the presser foot and turn the fabric and then continue sewing. Similarly, go ahead and do for all the petals. For small designs, it may take some time as you need to adjust. When you've finished everything, lock in the center. Similarly, I'll do for all the flowers. So this is how it looks. Hope you are able to see because it's the same color. The stitches can be even more closer. That depends again as you want it. This is done and this is how it looks. You can do applique on your dresses, cushion covers, bedspreads, curtains and so on. So thanks for watching this class. See you soon in the next class. Until then, happy sewing.